Hey, look at me beating Chris to the job site. Get some materials out and wait on Chris. There he is. Oh, he brought the heavy machinery. Now we're gonna get something done. Now I know why it took you longer. You were having to carry the big machine.
Yeah, this big equipment to get all this rebar out of the driveway.
Yeah, great place for it, right?
Yeah, right in the foundation.
Yeah, I mean,
Perfect.
Zoom in on that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You get that on these big jobs.
I don't think we need you.
Fine with me. I can work at your house.
You can go work at my house. That way, yeah. I need the cost on this job to already go down. We just started.
Now there's wire below that.
Huh?
There's wire below that.
Oh.
Grab it in the center now, probably. Where do you want this at?
Learning with Let's Dig.
Over here.
All right, so the orange paint has started to flow. Got all our marks on this side for the house. Goes off that way. I'll be flying the drone later once we've got everything marked, so you can see it from the air. That should be pretty cool. But yeah, a little easier to follow along now where everything goes. So now we're going to mark out the game room and finally be ready to dig. Has he painted you yet, Tyler?
Got him!
Yeah, he wanted to let me know I was number one. Number one.
I told him to move his finger and he didn't move, and I kept painting.
We learn quick.
Quickly. And then I
Rookie
told him,
mistake.
you know, stuff like that happens on these big jobs. We're currently 2 hours into marking this foundation, so this qualifies as a big job.
I agree.
Ta-da!
Not bad.
Now you get to find the plan that has all the 56 pier footings, so we can just...
Yeah. So we had to go through and mark the piers. Then there's a few that are like 3 feet because they're steel above them. Yeah. You're just in heaven today, aren't you? You got.
Did you notice I didn't even measure this one?
I can tell.
It's fine.
Who's got the dummy in today?
What'd I say? 33 foot 4 inches?
Correct.
I don't know who put this mud right here.
Tyler.
Stop off.
Does that line up somewhere? A little bit off from that?
Should be slightly in front of that one. Yeah, and inside of this wall.
Well, I like that
That's
then.
pretty close.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
We had to scale it out because nobody put any
That one
measurement.
right there is going to be 42.
Man,
42?
A 42 inch footer. Yeah.
we don't have time for measurements.
Yeah, so from where I checked to right here it falls like 6 inches. So once we get over here we'll have to
Yep.
Really don't dig the center line. Today. We're gonna do this right here, make sure we're straight with it. Not quite straight. There we are. Now we are.
Been feeling like every day's a vacation, like we're on an ultimate getaway. Been talking about it, but now we